Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the Infosys careers. So you know the website that Infosys has having the career.infosys.com. So once you go to the page, you will can see this front page. So where you can select the location. So whichever location you want to look for, you can select it accordingly. So based on the location, the available job careers will be posted in the down below. So they have different kind of roles. You can type in your skill sets as well, right? Say for example, if you are good at Python, you can type Python and you can enter. So where it will show the hot jobs and the list of recommended jobs for you. Okay, so whatever be the case, you can choose accordingly. So as we have discussed earlier, in the other videos, the same thing, like you need to sign into the website and then you need to apply for the job roles, right? So whenever you find a job role, if you're click view and apply, then it will show the details of the corresponding job, right? So the job description, the education qualification and other details will be posted over here. So once you've gone through, you can sign into the mail id whichever you have registered earlier, then you can apply for the job, right? So this will be the only mail id where you will get back all the details, right? Whether the interview has been scheduled or you have been called up for an interview, or uh, the resume has not been shortlisted. So all these things you will be get replied back to the same mail id. Okay, yes, all the best.